The Cheyenne Mountain Complex is a fortified military installation built into Cheyenne Mountain near Colorado Springs, USA. It serves as a hardened command and control center for U.S. defense operations, designed to withstand nuclear and conventional attacks. It remains an iconic symbol of Cold War-era military engineering and North American aerospace defense. Key facts: location: near Colorado Springs, Colorado, USA. Completed 1966. Primary use: Command and Control Center for North American Aerospace. Defense Command and related U.S. missions built to withstand. 30-megaton nuclear blast at 1.2 miles. Ownership: United States Space Command/United States Air Force design and structure. Constructed within 2,000 feet of granite, the complex houses more than a dozen freestanding buildings mounted on massive springs to absorb shock waves. Blast doors weighing 25 tons secure the tunnels, and systems inside are designed to sustain personnel for extended isolation. It includes power generation, air filtration, and water supply facilities to maintain operations under siege conditions. Strategic role: initially conceived at the height of the Cold War, the complex served as the primary command post for NORAD, monitoring potential Soviet missile attacks and managing aerospace defense communications. While many operational functions later moved to Peterson Space Force Base, Cheyenne Mountain remains a backup command site for U.S. military and space operations. Modern use and cultural impact. Though no longer the frontline NORAD command center, the site continues to host key systems for missile warning, space surveillance, and communications security. It is frequently featured in popular culture, appearing in films and television such as War Games and Stargate SG-1, as a symbol of high-security military technology and Cold War vigilance.